Hi to world, how are you all doing today? I hope you're doing well, and welcome to another music video reaction by yours lamely. And today I'll be reacting to NCT's new subunit called NCT 127, and we got 7 members. 4 are from NCTU, and the other 3 are brand new faces. We got Win, Donghyuk or Haechan, and Yuta, and I've actually seen Yuta before, so maybe I'll point him out rather quickly, and I think I'll point out the other 2 quickly as well. So anyhow, let's go ahead and react to NCT 127's Fire Truck. Really excited to see this. Was really impressed with NCTU's debut. So once I untangle these headphones, let's get this show on the road. The struggles of doing reactions with headphones, guys. Anyhow, let's do this. 3, 2, 1, go. Oh, starting with sirens. Okay. Are they like the girl's bodyguard? Jesus, Taeyong. It's so interesting to see them in vivid color. Oh, Jaehyun. No thanks. What the heck are they doing? They're destroying her castle. It's a weird part of the song. Yay. Mark? Oh, that's the new guy, Donghyuk. Haechan. Taeil. This is an interesting song. Okay, now they're in a school and causing havoc. Okay, wow, this is some big beats here, and it looks like the same setting as 7th Sense. I think the girl grew up, huh? Oh, Yuta. Whoa. Yuta. Wow, he's hot. What's with them in the hoses? Oh wait, Fire Truck. Chloe, you're so dumb. I don't know how I feel about this chorus though. And Haechan / Donghyuk's part. Taeil, your hair. Yeah, this is a very interesting song. Fire Truck, the way he's just flying. Win, nice to meet you. Cool hair, by the way. I swear, the way Taeyong says Fire Truck. Okay. Ooh. I like the use of the trumpets. Yeah. Taeil on his notes. Then it all got all party-like. Wow. Yuta though, I'm just like so mind blown by him. Yeah, they're implementing the horns a little bit here. Okay. Oh, now the girl's older. Huh. Are they like gonna mess with her grandchild now? So, I was not expecting that whatsoever. The song has a lot of interesting things going on with the beats and weird effects. I don't know, this comeback or this debut though, it's kind of iffy for me, but it was good to see the new members doing their thing, and Yuta stood out to me, but I felt like I didn't see enough Mark. But anyhow, It was a very interesting music video. I really liked how you could see more colors this time, because I felt like in NCT U's music videos it was very like reds and like darker colors, and for Without You it's all different as well. But yeah, NCT 127. I'm just gonna say that you guys are pretty cool, and I want to see how the live performance is going to be like and how you guys are going to perform that. So yeah, NCT 127, you really blew my mind with all that interesting stuff going on, and I hope you guys enjoyed this reaction. Hopefully you thought of this music video to be interesting like I did, and if you have, just leave it in the comments of what you thought of the music video and the song, and what do you think of the new members as well. Anyhow, I wish you all a great day, afternoon, evening, or night, depending on the time you're watching this, and I shall see you all next time with a new video. Goodbye!